In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Sam's Club account. It's important to know right away that Sam's Club does not currently offer a simple self-service delete account button online. So if your goal is to permanently remove or deactivate your membership, the process is a little different from what you might expect. The main option is to deactivate your Sam's Club membership. To do that, visit the member service desk at any Sam's Club location and ask a team member to deactivate your membership. This is the most direct in-person method, and it can be helpful if you want confirmation or need assistance right away. If you'd rather not go to a store, you can also contact Sam's Club customer service or use their customer support chat. When you reach out, clearly explain that you want help deactivating your membership or closing your account access. Keep in mind that you may need to verify your identity before any changes can be made, so make sure you have your account details ready. Also, even after deactivation, Sam's Club may still retain certain information when required by law or under its internal record retention policies. So deactivation does not always mean every piece of data is immediately erased, and that's a normal part of many company account closure processes. If you do not necessarily want to deactivate your full membership and instead just want to stop using your online account, there's another option. Start by signing in to your Sam's Club account. Then go to your account information section. Under your profile, update or remove any personal details that can be edited. This can help reduce the amount of information attached to the account if full deletion is not available. Next, delete any saved payment methods, but only if auto-renew has already been turned off. That part is important because an active renewal setting may prevent payment details from being removed. After that, go into your communication preferences and turn off promotional emails and text notifications so you stop receiving marketing messages. If you still want the account closed or you have concerns about your personal data, contact customer support directly and request assistance with closing your account or deactivating your membership. Again, be prepared to confirm your identity during the process. Overall, this is the recommended approach because Sam's Club does not currently provide a built-in delete account feature in account settings. If you follow these steps, you'll be using the best available method to deactivate your membership, reduce your online account information, and stop unnecessary communications.